Hey, welcome to Smart Forum Builder. My name is Veena Prashant. Now, the reason I'm doing this course is because I'm getting a lot of questions from people asking me how I have set up my community site, how I'm using SFB to offer my courses, my challenges, my freebies, how I have set up my funnel using SFB, how I'm using it to offer upsells, how I'm using it for my one-time offer, how I'm using it for my early bird offer, like this one. Currently, I'm recording this video, right? But I'm still in the pre-sale phase. I'm still in the early bird pre-sale phase of this course, and so many people have already signed up, and I did not promote it anywhere, right? So people come to my site, log into my site, and they are seeing this offer and they are signing up. And you don't even need like a big fancy sales page anymore, because all you have to do is like create a page, create a post in SFB, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, how I'm pre-selling it, and almost effortlessly, because all you have to do is like create a very simple, what is it about, and just a simple course outline and a breakdown of lessons. That's it. And a button that connects them to the checkout page where they can sign up. And that's all I have done. Very simple offer. And you can easily monetize your content, your courses, your trainings, especially the low cost ones. The ones that you charge like $7, $17, $27, you can easily sell it through your community site directly without a big fancy sales page. You're going to learn all of that. I'll show you exactly how I've set this up, how I'm making sales using my community site almost effortlessly, and how you can do the same. So be sure to sign up below, and I can't wait to get started.